Hello, thanks for joining me. I hope you've had a great winter break and are feeling ready to start another semester. My name's Christian Aguiar. As many of you watching know from previous classes, I'll be your professor for IGED 210 Discovery Expository Writing. We're not quite ready to start the semester yet, but I know a lot of you are on Blackboard. You're trying to get a sense of what your classes look like, what you can expect. So I want to give you a quick, maybe 5-minute preview of the course. Not super in depth. We'll have a chance to get into greater depth when we meet the first week of the semester. But I just want you to know what you're getting into as best as you can. First things first, this is a synchronous remote class, which means we will be meeting 2 times a week regularly for class sessions. We're going to be using Blackboard Collaborate, which is the video conference tool that's embedded in Blackboard. Keep things really easy. So the course is called Discovery Expository Writing, which is a pretty good title for what we do. But if you don't know what each of those words mean, it's really confusing. It's almost meaningless. I often get questions from students, what exactly is this course? So the first thing I'll do is tell you. If we take this word by word, the first thing we're doing is engaging in discovery. And this is interdisciplinary discovery. So what you're doing in this class is you are conducting in-depth research into a chosen topic, coming at it from multiple disciplinary lenses in order to try to reveal, to discover new information and new ways of understanding that content. It's also expository, which means your focus in doing this research is exploring an idea, an issue, expanding your knowledge and eventually your reader and viewer's knowledge, and helping to explain that issue, that challenge, that topic in a new way. And then writing. We use writing really broadly. So we are certainly doing some written assignments. You'll do plenty of writing. But we're not only going to be writing essays. We're going to be doing different types of writing, and we'll also be doing some filming. So we're writing in the sense that we are going to be compiling research. We're going to be considering it, figuring out how different ideas connect to each other, and using that to compose arguments in multiple modes. Everything you're doing in class is going to lead up to a final portfolio, which is going to be multimodal. So you heard me mention filming. It's going to include a video, a final research-based video podcast. It's going to include a couple of written assignments, a reference page, some reflections that could be written or could be videos or could be images. So you're going to be able to engage lots of different modes of expression or exposition in this class. And I think that's one of the things that makes this particularly rewarding. That's what I've heard from students over the years, that the opportunity to explore one topic in depth from lots of different angles in different ways gives them a lot more room for creativity than more traditional approaches might. I want to emphasize you're going to be writing on one topic. You're going to be considering one topic. In this course, it'll be a semester-long research project. So everything you do is going to deal with the same topic that you'll select early in the semester. We'll take the first 2 or 3 weeks to figure out what an issue, what in the first 2 to 3 weeks, we're each going to try to figure out 1 or 2 issues that we feel we can really spend 4 months exploring. Things that are so important to us or interesting to us or frustrating to us that we'll want to spend a long time really understanding the nuances and complexities of that topic. Along the way, you're going to do 4 major assignments. You'll do some other assignments too, but the 4 big ones are a research memo where you decide and propose an idea, a detailed research proposal where you go out and do preliminary research and start putting together a hypothesis and an argument where you figure out this is what I want to say. An annotated bibliography where you explore, you conduct tons of research, and you gather a set of sources that you think will help you make that argument, and then a video podcast where you make that argument. After you've done all these things, you'll put them together into a final portfolio. Everything we do in this class is going to be collaborative, cooperative, and active. What that means is every time you come to class, you can expect to be doing something, some sort of activity, a workshop. You'll be doing something to help you build a skill that's going to help you with the other work in the class and beyond. You will never be coming to class just to listen to me talk for 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 minutes, because that's not how you learn a skill, right? You don't learn to cook by someone telling you what to do. You learn to cook by someone telling you what to do and then helping you do it and then giving you feedback on how well it went, and then you try it again, right? That's how you learn a skill. So that's what we'll be doing. We'll be learning to cook as a way to learn to write. To make this happen, we'll be doing all of the things you see on the screen. We'll be doing readings, discussions, workshops, individual conferences, and tons of activities. So you've got a little bit of time before class starts. What I would suggest you do, if you want to, is look through the syllabus, look through the Blackboard page, maybe head down to where the video podcasts are and see some student examples from previous semesters. Just kind of familiarize yourself with what to expect. We'll have plenty of time to discuss all of this when we start class next week. So in the meantime, stay safe, get some rest, and I look forward to meeting you all when we begin the semester.